Now we need to configure the new microservice that we added. Let me close all the tabs here and we will copy quite a few things from the order API. So let me minimize the payment API. We will open the order API in File Explorer. Let me open a new tab and open up the email API right there. So there are few things that we want to copy here. First is the DB context, extension, messages, and messaging folder. Let me also copy the repository. We will copy all the 4 folders and paste it right here. Then while we are here inside the repository, let me rename this to iEmail repository and email repository. That is great. Let me close everything here and go back to Visual Studio. Then we have to change the namespace of all the files that we added. So let me open them one by one, starting from the DB context. Rather than order API, this will be email. So we will save that and let's continue with all the files first. Then we will solve the error messages. Inside messages, we do not need all, so let me delete the ones that I don't need. I also do not need the payment request message, so I'll delete that. The only message that we will need is the update payment result message. Inside messaging, oops, I forgot to change the namespace here. And we have the repository. We need to change the repository names as well. Perfect. So everything with the namespace looks good. Next thing that we have to do is manage the NuGet packages. Let me hide this. And let me close everything other than that. Let's go to the Browse tab here. We will install the package for azure.messaging.service-bus. Then we will be working with SQL Server, so we'll install that package and the designs package to add the migration. So let me add both of those packages. And that is sufficient. We won't be actually sending an email here, so we do not want to make it more complicated. Now in the next video, let's work on resolving all the errors.